Hello students, in this video we are going to solve the numericals which are going to be based on both mirror formula as well as on magnification. Let us read the numerical. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm. Find the position, nature and size of the image. As you can see here, we need to find three things in this numerical: position, then nature and then the size of the image. One by one, we will be using the formulas to find out the value of the desired things asked in the question. Before that, let us first write what is given in the question. According to the first line of the question, an object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex mirror. You can see I have marked here underlined object and distance of 10 cm. The first line says that the object, that means object distance, that means it is u, and the value of u is given how much? It is given 10 cm. Apart from writing the numerical value, we have learned it in the sign convention that we need to write also the sign, the appropriate sign for that particular value. So in the video of sign convention, we have learned that the value of u stands always negative, whether it is for convex mirror or for concave mirror. So the value of u we are going to write negative. After this, the next line says from a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm. This means what? That the focal length of the mirror is given and that is 15 cm. And what type of mirror it is? It is a convex mirror. So tell me, if we write f is equals to 15 cm, what will be the sign of the 15 cm? Positive or negative? Since it is a convex mirror, so according to the sign convention, the value of f will be positive because it lies on the positive x-axis. After writing the value of f is equals to 15 cm, now the three things that we have to find here is position, nature and size of the image. The position of the image means the value of v, nature means whether it will be real or virtual, and size of the image, that is we need to find out the hi, height of the image. But since here HO, that is the value of object, height of the object is not given, so we will be finding out the value of size of the image with respect to the magnification. Let us solve the numericals now. You can see we have used the mirror formula 1 by f is equals to 1 upon v plus 1 by u, and we have put the value of f and the value of u which was taken to be negative according to the sign convention. And now when we put the value, the negative sign in the formula, then the equation looks something like this. Let us further solve this. Now we are going to shift the value of 1 by 10, that is minus 1 by 10, to the left hand side, LHS, and then we are going to further solve it. So now you can see that the equation is written 1 upon 15 plus 1 by 10 is equals to 1 by v. We are going to take out the LCM of 15 and 10, that comes out to be 30. If you calculate yourself, you will find the LCM of 15 and 10 comes out to be 30. Let us solve it further. On solving this question further, after doing the LCM, this is what we have got. The value of v comes out to be 6. But if you leave the answer here, that is the v is equals to 6, if you write like this, surely your half mark will be deducted, because without using the unit, you cannot end your answer, write your final answer. So while writing the final answer, as I have enclosed it in a box, so this is the final answer where I have written v is equals to 6 cm. Now from the sign that we have obtained for v, we will be able to find out what will be the nature of the image. Since v is equal to plus 6 cm, therefore the nature of the image will be what? The nature of the image tells us that v falls on the positive x-axis. With a convex mirror, of course, it gives virtual image, and the sign also tells us that it is going to give us virtual image. Now you can see that based on the value that we have obtained for V, the nature of written is virtual and erect. Now the third and the last thing, that is the size of the image. For that, m is equals to minus V by U. This formula we have used. The other formula, Hi by Ho, cannot be used in this question because the value of Ho is not given. So by using the formula, we put the values here, minus 6 by minus 10, and after solving this, you can see that the units get cancelled, minus sign get cancelled, and we have got the pure number 6 by 10. So the magnification comes out to be 0.6. The magnification value tells us, since the magnification value is less than 1, what does it tell? It tells that the image height will be less than that of the object. Thank you.